How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I got a special delivery in that everybody's been waiting for. I've been waiting for. That was some stuff from garageunique. I wanted to unbox to show you what we got in stock. But before we get into that, if you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We're still doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, leave some likes and comments down below, and follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some merch to some of you lucky people out there. Let's get into this. So these are the two packages that came in from garageunique. They were shipped out at different times. For whatever reason, this box shows on tracking that it cannot be found, but it's here. So that is a lot of stress relief, but seeing how mangled the boxes are, we're about to find out what's going on. And yeah, let me go ahead and start opening stuff. I made a little work shift table right here so I can put all the parts and inspect for damages. But yeah, let me get started and I'll be right back. Here are the parts that we got in stock. This is all for the 9th gen Accord. The front lip is for the 1617 Accord carbon fiber front center lip from garageunique. This is the rear spoiler for the 13 to 17 Accord, 2013 and 2017 Accord. You can see the carbon weave here is very nice. And this is the rear diffuser piece for the same vehicle. Nice clean weave, a little dusty, but overall really nice. So before I ship any of these out, I open each one and then repackage them again and inspect to make sure everything's okay. I just wanted to open up one of these just to kind of show you what it looks like, and I'll put some pictures somewhere here, or here on how it looks. But yeah, this is our shipment. It's a small shipment, but because of how much freight costs right now, I kind of have to do it this way. If I'm doing a large heavy shipment internationally, they go by weight, and when the weight passes a certain amount of kilos or pounds or whatever, the freight goes crazy. So this is strategically done where it's actually cheaper by calculation, and it's kind of a pain, but it works. But yeah, here's all the garageunique stuff that came in. I also have 10th gen Accord front lip and rear spoilers as well, and some FE Civic sedan rear carbon fiber rear spoilers as well. So if you're looking for anything from garageunique, just go to our website to m2motoring.com under products, and then you go to arrow section and you can see garageunique. You can see all the offerings there. We also offer financing through Affirm and then also Acima. Two different financing options you have if you do want to finance these parts. But yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave comments down below, or you can hit us up at our email at info@m2-motoring.com. or hit us up on our socials, but usually I recommend emailing us or leave a comment down below. Okay, aside from that, that's pretty much this video. I'll do a little picture gallery of how this looks, and yeah, thanks again so much for watching. See you on the next episode.